How to get the best ENEBA discount code. The first thing you want to do is just access or open up any preferred browser you want. Now we're going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and just go to eneba.com. Now once you're here, just leave this page at first and then go to create a new tab, and then just type in this website right here. This is actually I'm currently using to get a or the best of the best coupon codes is going to be available or working. Just go to couponfollow.com, and once you are on the official website, just type in eneba, eneba.com rather. Now once you have chosen eneba.com, there's going to be a bunch of discount codes that's going to be available here. Now this is not going to be 100% guarantee that these codes are working, because I believe there is actually a lot of users that is currently using these codes. So for you to be able to check it, just press on any codes you want and you'll be redirected to a different site, and just copy this code and paste it on eneba.com for you to be able to use it. So that's it. That's how you get Eneba's the best discount promo code.